hello, hey, how you doing? This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I'm just doing a very quick, I went through and I got a whole bunch of stuff on this big Scaventure that we just got back from, and I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of what is just been put into the shop. So the first thing I put in are these Simply Scrappin' scrapbook sets from Stampin' Up. These are older. They are from 2002, and what they are is like scrapbook kits. So they have like these little punch outs in them and strips and stuff, and then they have the cardstock. So it looks like you get 6 sheets of solid colored cardstock plus 2 sheets of white, then some like 4 to 6 sheets of coordinating cardstock that goes along with the plain color. And then you get like 2 large and 8 small punch out. You get some frames, and then a bunch of punch out quick strips and images and things. So these little kits are in the shop. I put those in. Let's take a look at some of the other things. So one of the other things I listed is this little set here. Now you can see from the color of this, this is pretty old. This is a set of DJ inkers, and this one is Warm and Whimsical Things That Make You Smile. And it's like Raggedy Ann and Raggedy Andy. They're brand new. You know, they've never been used. I mean, they're not brand new. They're old. But they've never been used. So you got Raggedy Ann and Andy. There's this really silly frog in there, and a bunny rabbit, and a bear, and a baby, and a cow, and a kitty, and a little dog, and they're just stinking cute. So that went in the shop. I also had a bunch of these, they're called Curved Decor from Rubber Stampede. They're really big. I mean, look at that. That's big. I found they're an average of about 4.5 by 5 inches. I've got, let's see, I've got a couple of the shells. I've got the single angel. Let's see. I think there's a multiple one too. So this multiple angel. What else did we get? What else? What else? There's a couple other ones. This one, which is, that's a mum. Giant mum. Let's see, what else did we get? Let me look. This big feather, that. And then there's a couple other ones that you guys can take a look at. I think there's like a magnolia and a rose or something like that. Maybe it's a heart in there. Now I did put in some Stampin' Up stamp sets, so let's take a look at some of these. Hold on, let me grab some more. Now I do have more going into the shop. Probably tomorrow. I just ran out of daylight. So let's look at these first. So this is the first one, and these are actually called Just Journaling. This is Just Journaling 1 and Just Journaling 2. And what these are is just stamps that are like lines. And this one's kind of wide lined, and this one's more college ruled. And in there, let me get this little case of the way. You get these little templates that you can put on what you're stamping, and then you can stamp over that so that you just get lines in a shape. And this one's got a triangle and an oval and a circle and a heart, and that goes in there. So you get the templates and the stamp on this one. And this one's the same thing. You've got this one, which is more of a college rule, but the templates for this one are a little bit different. So if you get both of these, you'd have 8 different templates. So this one is like a double square, and then this one's another oval, and then a double circle, and then this one, which is just a smaller box that you can stamp, so you don't have to stamp the whole thing. So yeah, if you got both of these, you'd end up with 8 of these pieces, which is really cool if you think about it. Those are kind of cool. Another one I got is this one. This is called In the Sky. It's a set of 4. And this one, again, is from 2002, and look at, not even used. That one might have been dunked in the ink once. But, yeah. Like, brandy new, guys. Brandy new. So I got that listed in the shop. And then I got this one. This one's called Trick or Treat 4. And this one is slightly used. As you can see, you've got the kitty cat and this spider. And then there's this pumpkin head and the Trick or Treat one. And these are all minimal use. The blocks are clean. As you can see, the Trick or Treat's been stamped once. The pumpkin's been stamped once. They all look like they've been stamped maybe once. Maybe twice at the most. But I got that in there. So that's in the shop. And then I put this one in. Now, these are from 2001. And this is from 2000. But I decided to do this as a bonus deal. So this one is called Oriental Painting or Oriental Printing. And they're brand new. Never been used. And they're gorgeous. Look at this. Just absolutely beautiful. You've got your little bird there on the bush. And then you have your flowers here. And then what I did is I decided I was going to include this with this other piece. So I'm including this giant bamboo background stamp. Looks like it's been stamped once. This one is 6 inches by 5 inches. It is huge. So I'm putting those two together and calling that one a set, so I listed it as such. So let's hey man, let's get this rubber band back on here so I can keep that one together. I'm going to put these out of the way real quick, and I'll show you some of the other things that I listed in the shop today. Okay, other things that got listed in the shop. These are from CDs, Clearly the Way to Stamp. 10 stamps for all your creative needs from the Sugar Shop, okay? So I got these sets, and this is what's in this set. This one's called Phantoms. Then there's this one, which is like 2 cases, 31 stamps in this one. That's what you get in that one. This one I like because it has a to and from. And then there's this one, which is 34 pieces, and you get all this stuff. You Rock, Just Arrived, and these are like borders, and then these are individual stamps. And this one is called Hello, My Name Is. So I wanted to show you guys this because it's kind of cool. I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one that I opened to look at. But they're brand new, and here's the thing. They come in this like little case with a stamping pad on the back, the foam like, in this little plastic case. Let me open this up. So here's your stamps, okay, and then there's your foam, and it all comes in this little plastic sleeve, which keeps it all nice and neat and clean and together, and it slides it in here, and there's some additional paperwork and stickies and stuff down in there. So, so I grabbed those, and those are listed in the shop. Now, they're in a single listing, so if you're looking for that, you're going to have to just look for one, and you'll find the rest. Because I figured they were all the same. I'd put them in one listing. All right, let's see what else. So another thing that went into the shop today were these. These are from Recollections. This is called Vacation. It's quote stickers. They're all brand new. The seals have not been broken on them. So I'll give you kind of just a little preview at the bottom here. So this is like a clear stamp. It says to travel is to live. They're all clear stamps, clear stickers. So, and they're all about travel. So I have 4 of those. So I put all 4 of those in the shop. And this one here, which is called from DC WV, this one is half glitter. 72 sheets in here, 4.5 by 6.5 printed paper, single-sided. This is called All About Girls. And this is listed in the shop as well. Again, it's brand new. The seals are still intact. And it's ready to go. I think that's all I got in there today. Let me take a look really quick. I'll just pull that up and take a look. Oh, yep, so that's all I got put in there today. But I do need to let you guys know the mini misters, these ones, are back in the shop. Got those back in. And the moon phase die set, the 3-piece die set that has the moon phases on it, the sun and all that stuff, the 3-piece set, that's back in the shop as well, but I only have 2 of them in stock. So just so you guys are aware of that. Let's see, is there anything else? I think that's it. I think that's all of them. That's all I have back in the shop today, guys. I will have more for you tomorrow. Until then, listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. And then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until the next time, guys, stay safe. Bye-bye.